Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto on Uniswap. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Uniswap, and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now, you just need to go and connect your wallet, of course, which you can do by clicking on the top right corner, clicking on connect. Then here you have a different kind of wallets: Get Uniswap Wallet, Uniswap Mobile, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, and Coinbase. I am using MetaMask, so that's which wallet I will of course go and connect to on Uniswap. Then just go and type in your password, and here you will just click this, and you'll have your wallet connected. Now let's see what we have in front of us. So in the top left corner we have the trade, explore pool, search tokens, and swap anytime, anywhere. But now let's see how to buy crypto on Uniswap. Well, it is pretty simple. So basically, you firstly need to go and show what you will actually go and sell. So here you need to go and click on sell, and here put if you want to go and sell it, let's say from ETH. Then you need to select the token that you will go and buy. So for instance, let's click that you will buy the Binance. Click there, of course, and then of course you need to go and click here for, as you can see, which, and here when you put in the amount you want to go and sell, here you'll get how much you will get to buy, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.